You know, in 2007, we came to the first IMC to learn from others, to find out where we were at in our reliability journey. And what we learned is that we had nothing in place that mattered.
And we decided that it really wasn't good enough for us to just do maintenance a la carte. So we got together, we looked at each other, what are we going to do about that?
And so we went back after we originally learning what we needed to do. And we didn't come back to IMC for a while. We went back and implemented things, trained individuals, sought executive sponsorship, educated our executives about reliability. And then we came back in 2015 to check the gauge.
In 2017, they earned a special recognition award for safety and maintenance. The award greatly raised the bar for leadership accountability, and they required safety certifications for everyone. We were so impressed with their results that we asked to share their program at IMC and in Uptime magazine.
In 2017, we received our first Uptime Award for one of our safety strategies. It was actually a special recognition award. It made it pretty special because we knew we were doing something that was contributing towards maintenance. We knew that there were other awards to recognize more specific efforts in reliability victories. So we submitted our story, our reliability journey in the past to be recognized for reliability leadership, and we did not win. So what that meant is that our program was just not ready. So what we continued to do is we went back, we continued to implement and roll out initiatives, and then we felt that now our story was ready to be submitted again.
In 2019, Best Leadership for Reliability was a culmination of a 12-year journey to get the right processes standardized throughout their businesses. They had applied for the award before, but they didn't quite hit the mark. They did not give up.
This time we were selected, and we are being recognized with this Uptime Award for Best Leadership and Reliability. And we will use this award to continue to motivate us, because this is not the best overall program in reliability, which for now, that now becomes our goal. So we will not stop until we continue to learn from others and one day be recognized as best overall program.
Cintas continues to move the bar. The organization is absolutely relentless. That's a word you should keep in mind. You know, we've worked with Eric for a long time, and that's the word that comes to mind when I think of him. They are relentlessly in pursuit of reliability.
But then we submitted a story of all the other different things that we have implemented, from all the lessons learned from our uptime, from our participation in IMC conferences, and this year we received the award for Best Reliability Program. And I would say, professionally speaking, it is an incredible milestone for all of us that are the leaders of this department that started this journey. But really, this award is for the company, because really the people that make the reliability strategy work are the technicians with the tools in their hands, the managers that give them the time, give them the parts, give them the overtime, but also very important, our executive sponsors. I mean, our executive team really understands reliability and its positive impact in the company in all kinds of ways, beginning with safety, with company reputation, with quality and productivity, profitability. So this is an award that recognizes that the entire company gets it. And I think that's a huge milestone for us from where we started. This reliability journey has been effective in large part because of you, the ones that are sitting on those chairs all around here. Every time we come to AMC, we sit in your sessions and you inspire us. You inspire us to be better, and you inspire us to make a difference.
People who have come before us and a lot of people who have come after us have helped with this journey. We've read books, we've been to conferences, we've studied, we've benchmarked a lot of companies who do things, a lot of things better than we do. And we learn from that, and relentless pursuit of those improvements is what's going to help, we hope, carry us through the future. Oh, absolutely. This is not the end. This is not the pinnacle. It is the greatest award, you know, at IMC. It's the greatest award you can get. But it just means that we've got to continue to stretch, continue to do new things, continue to improve, because if we don't, you know, we're sliding backwards. And we know from being here at IMC, there's so many new technologies out there that we have yet to implement. And we want to start with probably the new foundation for us and the new basics, as we'll look at it going forward, are the Uptime Elements implementation across a broader platform. We haven't gone to all 200 processing facilities yet with that rollout, and just continue to improve, because we cannot go backwards, can't stand still either. And we've got to prepare the foundation for those coming behind us. Here I'm sitting here with over 28 years, 26 or 7 years with Eric. There's going to be others that come along after us, and we want to prepare the company, prepare the reliability program, everything for them to be successful and be able to take it forward, and leave behind our story, which is going to be, hey, we started the reliability program, we got it rolling, but you guys have to keep it going. And we want to be sure that our story going forward is a positive one for those folks who are going to come after us. Margaret Atwood is a well-known Canadian author, and she said in one of my favorite quotes of hers, "In the end, we'll all just be stories." And we're certainly proud and glad this is part of our story. Thank you.